Alright, so I got my amps back from BBI, and I should have started this a little earlier, but all these bubbles were on top of everything. It's packed very well. And professionally, everything was in these containers that mysteriously, assumably as good as this work perfectly. So what I got back was Texas Star 500 and my Sweet 16 I blew up. I just want to say that Mr. BBI, you do a fantastic job thus far. I'll update this. I appreciate the bubbles and definitely the secure packaging job that that you did getting this back to me all the way from Idaho. Let's go fire it up.